All right, welcome back to the channel. I've got a good one for you today. I love the creativity in some of these new projects that are coming out. This is a pre-sale opportunity for you. And just again, full disclosure, I'm going to give you guidance here and walk you around the park, show you everything there is to know about this particular project. Links are in the description below to this project, as well as to a couple of other really great pre-sales down in the description below. So this one is tied to Bitcoin ETFs. There is a passive staking, revenue generating aspect to this particular project. So again, just want to let you know that full disclosure, this is a sponsored video from this project. Just letting you know that up front, and but don't let that dissuade you from at least hearing everything there is to know about this. Links in the description below to everything I'm about to show you. So let's take a look at what I have for you. So this is a Bitcoin ETF token. Okay. So the only token rewarding holders as Bitcoin ETFs are approved. Remember, we have a lot of positive momentum and, quite frankly, excitement around Bitcoin ETFs being approved. These are from the likes of BlackRock, Fidelity, all those guys like that. And we're expecting approval most likely in the first quarter of 2024. Okay. So this is a project that's associated with kind of and looking to capture the attention and positivity around the ETF market. Now, this is not a Bitcoin ETF. This is its own project, Bitcoin ETF token. You can see right there, it is not an ETF. It is a new project coming out that looks to reward Bitcoin ETF token holders, okay, as Bitcoin ETFs are approved. And so if you scroll down here real quick, I'll show you this real quick to this FAQ, frequently asked questions. What is the purpose of the BTC ETF token? It is a token that can be staked in our verified smart contract to earn passive rewards at a dynamic rate. It has been created to celebrate the expected arrival of Bitcoin ETFs in the US financial markets. So there you go. Okay, so there's a staking component of this where you can earn passive, passive rewards and things of that nature. And if you click on staking, it's going to show you kind of some time frames here. You connect a wallet. Excuse me. Let me show you this real quickly. So welcome to BTC ETF staking. So staked balance, percentage of pool, estimated rewards, current rewards, total rewards. Again, you can see kind of all that's there. And that's in that little button right there that I clicked. Okay. So if we go back to their homepage, right here is where you can actually purchase the BTC ETF tokens if you so choose. 263,000 raised right now out of a target of 420,000. You can see the price looks like will go up as we kind of roll along here. Okay, so you just connect a wallet and you can buy with either Ethereum, USDT, or with a card. Kind of go from there. So that's kind of what we've got there. So again, what this really is looking to take advantage of is the opportunity around all of the momentum and positive catalyst of the Bitcoin ETFs from like BlackRock and those guys being approved, Grayscale, et cetera. So I think I really applaud again the positivity of of this initiative. Meaning like what's coming, right? And I applaud Bitcoin ETF token, this project, with recognizing that that is one of the most biggest fundamental catalysts out there. And again, creating kind of a project that will reward people as these Bitcoin ETFs from like BlackRock and Grayscale is being approved. And so what I want to show you real quickly is right here, kind of a roadmap, if you will. Like right now we're in pre-sale with pre-launch. But what they're going to do, I want to show you this right quick. So what they're going to do is as Bitcoin ETFs are approved, like they're gonna burn a percentage of the Bitcoin ETF token. This project you see on the screen, they're gonna burn 5% of the total supply. So then there's another first Bitcoin. So when the SEC approves it, they're gonna burn that. When it launches, they're gonna burn another 5%. So 10% of the total supply is gonna be approved, gonna be burned, excuse me, on ETF on the approval and then on the launch. So those two separate events, there's 10% of the supply going to go away right there. Okay. Then Bitcoin ETF assets under management hits 1 billion, another 5%. So they're saying that as the Bitcoin ETF assets from like BlackRock and JP Morgan and those guys, as their assets grow So when their management um, of those Bitcoin ETFs from like BlackRock, et cetera, hits a total of 1 million, excuse me, 1 trillion under management, that this project Bitcoin ETF is going to burn another 5% of the supply. Okay. And then when Bitcoin right here hits $100,000, Bitcoin ETF token, the project you see here on the screen, is going to burn another right there, another 5%. So, I mean, you got, was that 5, 10, 15, 20% of the supply is going to be burned as these milestones are hit. And remember that you can stake this Bitcoin ETF token as well and earn rewards along the way. So links in the description below. Check it out. This was a sponsored video. Just again, full disclosure from Bitcoin ETF Token, the only token rewarding holders as Bitcoin ETFs are approved and with a pretty massive burn schedule to reduce the overall supply as well. So links in the description below. Check it out. Run it through your own due diligence. And I'll see you later. Go make some money. Bye.